Climb is a social justice retreat for fraternity and sorority members in the UVM FSL community, where we learn more about social justice, we educate ourselves, we learn about our leadership as well as our ritual, and we build new friendships throughout the weekend with other members within our community. I had a really great time at Climb this weekend. We learned a lot about our own personal values and the values of our chapter and how those two things can correlate.
Climb was a really good experience because it introduced us to a lot of the other members of other sororities and fraternities, and it was cool to get to know those kids.
As president of my chapter, I can bring these changes back, how we can really challenge the status quo for our community right now and address these really extremely difficult topics and make the change that needs to happen.